Hi Charles, so today we're going to be doing a bit of a quick unboxing and my first impressions of this here, which is the Mini Pro from Soundpeats. Now these are wireless Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones and they actually have a transparency mode, which is a very cool feature that I have enjoyed on the Sony headphones. Now these aren't that expensive on Amazon. I think they're about 60 Australian dollars. I'll put the price up there in American dollars as well. But it's very inexpensive. But what I have found just through testing them briefly is that they're actually really good value and they are actually very nice headphones for the price. So taking a look inside the box here, you get a nice little instruction booklet here with the usual how to use it, Bluetooth connection settings and so forth. And then here you get two different sizes of the rubber ear inserts. Now I'm just going to carefully put those back. And then in here you get the charging cable. So they do charge with USB-C and that's to USB-A. And then of course you do get the headphones as well. Right, so as you can see the USB charging port just on the back there. We have a little LED which shows you when it's charging and then the logo, and there's a magnetic closing, so it's actually quite nice. Easily fits in your pocket and in your bag, so I like that. You can see the notification light. It's just come on to show that it is green and fully charged. Now the headphones as well have a little notification light on them, so if you take it out and put it back in, red means that the actual headphone earbuds themselves are currently charging. Now when you take it out, it will automatically connect. Obviously the first time it will go into Bluetooth pairing and then you can connect it to your device. And I've actually found these to be quite comfortable. They do have a touch sensitive pad, so to skip to the next song you tap and double tap on the, I think it's the right side, brings up the assistant. Pressing and holding on the left side I believe goes through the different modes. So transparency mode where you hear the outside noise, and then pressing and holding again goes to normal mode where it's not actively cancelling. Then pressing and holding again brings you to the active cancellation where it cancels out the noise. Quite well, I might add it. It is quite good in the noise cancelling features with these. Now I did have a chance to test these on a noisy train and I was actually surprised at how well they cancel the noise, especially for the price. They're probably not like at the same level as over-the-ear Sony headphones in terms of noise cancelling, but I would say they're like just a notch or two below. It's really, really impressive, especially for this price. And for the form factor, when you get these in your ear, they do give a good seal and they do cancel the noise very nicely. And the actual sound quality of them is very nice as well. I found the bass to be quite rich and it was very detailed, so very, very impressive for the price. I'll have to do a bit more testing in terms of finding out the overall battery life, because that can be something you want to consider if you're going to be taking these, for longer trips. But for just basically around town and, train traveling and stuff, really, really great pair of headphones to check out. And just since I have you here, I'm going to show you how they fit in the ear. So for me, this is just the regular one that it came with, and I just pop it in like so, and I can hear that it has already connected, and that fits my ear quite well, even when you are twisting it in to get a bit more of a secure fit. If you shake your head or running or whatever, it will stay in there and it's very nice and comfortable. Yeah, I found these to be super comfortable, and yeah, just overall I was quite surprised because I thought, at the price that they are, they probably wouldn't be quite as good, but really they are as good as some of the more expensive headphones that I have tried. And so I definitely recommend checking them out if you're in the market for a pair of wireless Bluetooth headphones. That is the Soundpeats Mini Pro, and links will be down in the description so you can pick them up on Amazon if you are interested.